Namaste everyone, this is Rupi Raja and today I will talk about Beezaasan Explotech Ltd IPO. So this is Rupi Raja and let's begin the analysis. As of now, for the IPO, the price offered is 175 rupees per share and the price to earning ratio of the company post the IPO is close to 46.4 and it is very high. In the DHRP of the company, which is the draft hearing red prospectus that every company has to submit before the IPO, it is clearly written that the auditor is not impartial. So this is the first red flag. Moving on, the revenue from top 10 customers is 54%. So I don't think this is a red flag. It is okay. Moving on, I feel the company has fully priced its shares despite low scope of growth in the sector. Anyways, now the market is falling and it is not a good time to apply in a company like this. Moving on, the revenue from slurry explosives stands at close to 65%. Revenue from emulsion explosive stand at close to 26%, and the detonating fuse revenue stands close to 9% of the total revenue, and these three products contribute to total 99.33% of the revenue. And I don't think this is a red flag. It shows that company, even though doesn't have a lot of products, these products are very good. The 50% of the total revenue of the company comes from Gujarat, and I don't think this is a red flag because as long as Narendra Modi is a prime minister, Gujarat government will ensure that the business of its states run smoothly. Moving on, I found this to be the biggest red flag. The company has like shady cash flows and the cash flows are not sustainable. So once investor realize the real earning of this company, they will have to share this, they have to sell this shares of this company, and there will be huge correction. So this is not very good. You can see here in 2022 the company had cash flow from operating activities to be at a loss of minus 1 crore. In 2023 it suddenly became positive at 2.2 crores, and in 2024 it suddenly became from 2 crores to a 10 crore, a 5x jump. And in 2024 and suddenly it is just 27 lakhs. If you see, this is 27 lakh for one quarter. Even if I do it for all four quarters, it stands at close to 1.2 crore. So this 10 crore is very shady. I would not suggest you guys to invest in this company. In the DHRP, it was written that as on June 30, 2024, the reported financials include total revenue of 66 crores, profit after tax of just 3 crores, and net worth of 26 crores. The profit after tax of this company is much less as compared to solar industry. It is also the major player in this sector, and even though the price earning of this company is 69 and is very expensive, I feel solar industry is a much better company to look at. Overall, I will say the explosive industry is a sunset industry. The expected growth of explosives in mining sector is close to 3%, in cement is close to 5%, and in defense is close to 14%. So as overall, I can say for approximately the net growth of the company could be close to 8.4%, and this is not a very good rate of growth. I feel wealth management business offers greater growth in the sector, and I will suggest retail investors like you and me to look at the companies listed in the wealth management space and decide if it's good or not. Some people can say the company product is very good and it can be a multi-bagger. I agree the product is good, but could it be a multi-bagger? I don't think so. It is a very rare chance, and the risk to reward ratio is very bad for this company. You are taking a lot of risk, and the reward is also not this probability of reward. The probability of reward is also not very good. So it is better to look at other opportunities in the market because there the amount of risk you're taking is less, but the reward will be very good. If you disagree with my analysis and my opinion, I would suggest please read the DHRP on your own, and you can comment your suggestions and your findings from the DHRP. I will gladly receive the feedback. I feel the defense sector sentiment is also not very good. So even if you get a allotment post listing, the gains will be very less because the sentiment itself is not very good. As retail investors, if you want to invest in explosive sector and you have exposure to all other sectors, I will suggest to please study the business model of solar industries while its share price corrects more till December 2025. So you have plenty lot of time. Just take your time, read about the annual report of solar industries, the quarterly report, and try to understand how that company makes money. And there is no hurry to invest your money. You can easily do the analysis of the company till December, and as a result of which you will have a clear picture whether you should invest in this company in a company of this sector or not. So considering this IPO as retail investor, if your net worth is less than 5 crore, please avoid this IPO. And if your net worth is, as a retail investor, if your net worth is more than 5 crores, I will suggest to look for better opportunities in the market. There are plenty, and I will help you suggest. And there are plenty more opportunities. Thank you. This is Rupi Raja. And if you want to look at your portfolio and get it consulted, you can contact on this email. This is Rupi Raja signing off. Thank you.